Hey guys, good morning. So I woke up early today. It's already 20 past 6. I already published the video for you all, and yesterday my cousins, they came around 7:30, and then yes, it was lots of fun guys. I got little bit of footage. I also filmed a mini haul video for you all, so I will put that footage right now. So मैले चाहिँ मेरो टप चेन्ज गरिसकेको छु. अहिले चाहिँ 7 बजेको छ. I'm still waiting for my cousins and I would like to show you my momo and my wings. अनि मैले माछा चाहिँ बनाएन. यो चाहिँ wings हो guys. Looks delicious. अनि यो चाहिँ मोमो मैले चाहिँ हट केसमा हालेर राखेको छु तातो होस् भनेर. मेरो बुढा चाहिँ भर्खरै शपिङ गरेर आएको थियो. So he got some mangoes, banana, bread and more stuffs inside the fridge. Eggs, sausage, tomatoes, grapes, cauliflower, cucumber, lamb, mixed peppers and more eggs and chicken. And he also got this chips, which is one of my favorite. It's from Lidl. Got some baked bean as well. This one. And he also got some pastries. Yum. So that's everything. Just waiting for my cousin. Sampada like blue. के मन पर्छ सम्पदालाई यल्लो मन पर्छ. ठुलो मान्छे भएर हे. तिमीले बोल्दै नि त. न बोल्दै तिमी. तिमीले त केही पनि दिएन, सबै मैले दिएँ. ल धेरै धेरै बधाई छ हाम्रो सोवालाई घर किनेकोमा, बच्चा पाएकोमा है. अनि भेनालाई पनि, निखिललाई नि आर्मी भएकोमा धेरै बधाई है. ल आज चाहिँ फ्यामिली ग्यादरिङ हुँदैछ हाम्रो यहाँ. ल बधाई छ है. मन परेको क्या खासै अलग मन पर्यो भाइ. बन्ने बढेको है यो दबाई हाल्नु. अब यो प्रियामा त अरूहरूले त है खुसी हुन्छ नि त. दामी है कलर पनि मन पर्यो क्या मलाई त. मजाले प्याक गरेर है. तिनीहरूले यसरी प्याक गरिदिन्छ यो है. यो त यो मात्रै होइन कि यो अझै बेग्लै बक्समा पो हालिदिन्छ है.
यो त कार्टुन बक्सै फुल हो यसको.
ए है प्याकिङ त मजाले गरिदिँदो रहेछ. एउटा नफुट्नु है. अनि फुट्छ नि त. दामी रहेछ. अब साइड साइडमा जाने भयो है.
भोलि चाहिँ चक्का चामल राख्नुपर्छ. चामल या दाल
ब्रान्ड रिभ्यू राम्रो है.
ल प्रशान्त
थ्याङ्क यू. भेना पुग्नेको साह्रै मन पर्यो है. बाबुले आएर चामल राख्दै रे, एउटामा चाहिँ दाल राख्दै. थ्याङ्क यू है. So my cousins, they went to my mom's house. So my mom, she sent me some sale rotis, which we ate a little bit yesterday. It's kind of like a Nepali donut. It's in round shape and it tastes really good. And it's made of rice flour, water, sugar. Thanks, Mom. So this is our living room and we slept in this bed. It's quite messy. My husband is still in his bed, and yes, I will vlog more later in a bit. See you. अब चाहिँ म खाजा बनाउन जाँदैछु सबैको लागि, and I'm gonna make sausage, beans, toast, hash brown and eggs. So अहिले चाहिँ मैले eggs fry गर्दैछु अनि hash brown लाई चाहिँ defrost पनि गर्दैछु. अनि एकछिनमा चाहिँ यसलाई तताउने baked beans लाई. So this is our living room and we slept in this bed. And yes, I will vlog more later in a bit. See you. अब चाहिँ म खाजा बनाउन जाँदैछु सबैको लागि, and I'm gonna make sausage, beans, toast, hash brown and eggs. So अहिले चाहिँ मैले eggs fry गर्दैछु अनि hash brown लाई चाहिँ defrost पनि गर्दैछु. अनि एकछिनमा चाहिँ यसलाई तताउने baked beans लाई. टोस्ट पनि पाक्दैछ सो हाम्रो खाजा तयार भइसकेको छ looks delicious यो चाहिँ हाम्रो बेबी निस हो and nephew baby nephew समृद्ध हैन समृद्ध कस्तो नामर्ने कस्तो मोटो गाला खाइदिम त्यस्तो आजी भन बजेलाई नमस्ते भन नेपालको बजेलाई नमस्ते ज्ञानी छोरा को यो फेरि है सम्पदा है हेलो भन त सबैलाई हेलो भन न यसो गरौँ यता हो त हेलो भन यसो गर नमस्ते गर मिट्टी नखाने सम्पदाले मिठी पायो अबि कस्तो उज्यालो आएको हेलो सम्पदा के खाएको सम्पदाले मिठी भन न ल कति क्युट लुगा नि सेतो लाएर आजी भन न चलेको हो नि अहिले त्यो हात चलाएको छ कि त्यसरी कस्तो राम्रो देखेछ भिडियोमा भाइ खै सम्पदाको नि खेती कम यहाँ सम्पदा यहाँ उभियो त भाइसँग उभिएन भाइसँग उभिएन ल भाइलाई किसी गरिदेऊ त कति राम्रो देखेको दिदी र भाइ आहा दुईटो कस्तो गोरो चब्बी गाला है सम्पदा भाइ है के हो भाइको नाम सम्प्रीत भन न किसी गर आफ्नो भाइलाई किसी गरेको हेर चुप्पा गर किसी यता सम्पदा ल लुक यहाँ आजीलाई हेलो भन अबि आबुले नि जाऊ भात खाऊ मम्मीसँग बाई सो अहिले चाहिँ यहाँ लन्च प्रिपेयर गर्दैछु म हिजो चाहिँ हाम्रो कजनहरूले केक पनि खाएन सो त्यही भएर यही हिजोको लेफ्ट ओभर खाँदै हो हामी चाहिँ खानेकुराहरू पकाउँदै आलुदम मेन डिस त छुँदै छैन त्यही भएर that's what we are going to eat for our lunch. This is my lunch. Patti dere. And this is the dal. Babu din khadega. भात खाँदै सम्पदा सबैजना भात खाँदै अहिले चाहिँ हामी बाई बाई फुच्चे ल बाई बाई सोवा ल बाई बाई थ्याङ्क यू वेलकम खोइ अर्कोले नि बाई बाई भने जस्तो लाग्थ्यो त खै सम्पदा यता
give me this please
monkey. So my cousin, they have just left guys, and we rearranged our living room. As you guys saw, they gave us some gift which I would like to show you guys. It's so beautiful. I just fell in love when I saw it, and I would love to show you that. So they gave me 2 pairs of these big vase guys. It's so huge and so deep. Look at that guys, you can see it's so big. It's just perfect guys, and I really like the color as well. That's really big. It has peacock detailing in the front, and she said you can put it like this, which has peacock detailing as well, but this one is more colorful. And from this side you can see this greenish peacock, which is really cute guys. So that's one vase, and she also gave me this one, which is same thing. It comes in a pair, and look at this guys, isn't it cute? I just love it. Look at the detailing guys, really beautiful, isn't it? It's in royal blue color. I just love it. She also gave me this Buddha, which is so cute, and I just love it, guys. It's in green and white color, and it's really lucky for your house. So yes, guys, that's laughing Buddha and pair of these big vase. So I rearranged my living room. So yeah, very little changes. I moved my temple in my bedroom and kept this one over here. By the way, that one is also a laughing Buddha, but this one belongs to Anita Didi. It's huge, guys. It's massive. Look at that big laughing Buddha. So pretty, isn't it? So I kept it in the corner so that I won't break it or something like that. But she bought it and it's really lovely, isn't it? This is also laughing Buddha, but I got this one myself and it's so nice. I love laughing Buddha. My room looks so beautiful at the moment. Let me give you 360 view, guys. So there you go, guys. That's my living room at the moment, and I just love the setup. So guys, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Bye. Love you.